Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. My name is Iaiman Ilyas bin Azmi. My metric number is 22C18G016 and my partner is Abdul Haadi bin Abdul Jalil. His metric number is 22C18G011. We are students from Tati University College located in Kemaman, Terengganu. So, this video is to explain about our program assignment for subject programming 2 in second semester. This assignment given by our lecturer, Madam Izzah Inani binti Abdul Halim. So, let's see the next part. Let's go.
Content of assignment. This project discusses a coding program for analysis and program solving. We are starting from how to analyze the project. Second, how to make C++ coding, and the last one is sample output.
Problem analysis. Ipo Chart. Ipo Chart is divided into three, which are input, process, and the last one is output. As you know, input is what the user enters or prompt the user to enter, and we get three inputs here, which are num1, num2, and integer operation. While the process is our body of coding in C++, as you can see in the table, but we will explain more about it later. The last one is output, which is output is a sample output, or to make it easier to understand, output is what will print out.
The structure we use is C++ language, and we also include function in this program. Based on our C++ coding, from line 14 to 19 is a list of function titles, and in a bracket are parameters. We are using double and void for the data type. For your information, void is only for display or print. Line 21 to 46 is main function part. We are using for loop as shown in our coding from line 28 to 31 because to make line after the intro statement. And user need to enter first number and second number, and the data of them will be stored in num1 and num2. You guys can refer line 33 to 37. And from line 39 to 43, the function title where we declare before need to declare here because to display what is written in function definition.
This is the continuous of our coding. Line 48 to 114 is a function definition. In void numbers, this statement will display what user has entered, which is the first number and the second number. And in void lnum, we use if else statement because the program will determine which number is larger, either the first number or the second number. In double power, the program will calculate the first number to the power of the second number. For this part, we need to declare the calculation of the power, which is, you can refer to our coding, line 71. We wrote power, pow, in bracket A, B. Next, double calculate. This program will calculate according to what user has selected. User need to enter what operator they want, like add or subtract or multiply or divide. In this part, we use if else statement so that the program can determine what the user has selected. If the user has selected the operation other than the list, the invalid input will be print out. Next is void closing. Before the cout, we are using for loop because to make line before the closing statement. We are using void for the last one because to appreciate the user because using our program, like thank you for using this program, like our statement say out. Okay, so this is our sample output. Our sample output is same like what is in our say out statement. So you guys can see our sample output is very easy to understand and very organized for user to refer it. Thank you to everyone because give your time to listen our video assignment, and thank you also for to our lecturer Madam Izzah Inani.